You ever write some code, hit run, and it just works? Well, that spark, that yes moment, that's what Rust is built to give you more of. Today, we're going to build an actual game in Rust. Not a theory, not a hello world, a real working guessing game in 5 minutes. Now, this isn't just a guessing game. It's your first step into becoming a builder with Rust. You'll learn how to get user input, compare numbers, and handle errors the Rust way, safely and clearly. So, we make a new directory called chapter 2. You don't have to do this, but we're going to go into chapter 2 and we're going to do a cargo init. And after we've done a cargo init, you can see we have a main RS and a cargo toml. Put in our standard IO, which lets us read from the keyboard, and random, which lets us give us the RNG. We also put in something called ordering. This lets us validate if our numbers are less than, equal to, or greater than. After that, we're going to move on to the for loop. And as you can see, we create a secret number called random and generate a range from 1 to 100. From there, we start our loop. We want to put a print line just so we can see on the terminal to input your guess. Then we make a mutable guess, which is going to be a string, and we're going to put our guess from our input. We create a mutable string variable named guess to store their input. It needs to be mutable because we'll be writing to it. Now, we try to convert that input from a string to a number. We trim any white space and parse it into a 32-bit unsigned integer using parse. If parsing succeeds, we use the number. If it fails, like the user types a letter, we print an error and use continue to restart the loop. Then we compare the guess to the secret number using compare, which returns whether it's less than, greater than, or equal to the secret. For ordering, we basically have a less than, a greater than, or an equal to. And if it's less than, we get too small. If it's greater than, we get too big. And equal is we win. This is it, your first working app in Rust. It compiles, runs, and feels fast. You made something real, and Rust made sure you didn't crash your computer doing it. Today you built a game from scratch in a language used by some of the smartest engineers on Earth. If you can do this, you can do anything. Subscribe, because next week we unlock the true power of Rust with variables, functions, and control flow.